Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you how to swap your graph for T-Fuel using Simple Swap. So first thing you want to do is go to your whatever exchange you're using. For this case I'm using Coinbase, and right here you see I have 64 graph. So I'm going to go to my Simple Swap, type in 64 graph, change this to graph, which is GRT, the symbol for graph. We're going to change it for T-Fuel. So there's T-Fuel, Theta Fuel. There it is there, 64. And that says I'm going to get T-Fuel. T-Fuel. Click on that. There we go. So 64 graph gets me 209.33.993.627 T-Fuel. And then I'm going to enter my Theta Fuel address, which I already have. Paste. And I'll double check that on my phone, which I already done. Check the first 4 and the last 4. And then you want to hit exchange. And then here it says waiting. So when you get to this point, this is your send your graph to the address, your receipts address. So from this point, what you want to do is copy use this copy button right here. Go back to your Coinbase, and then where it says send and receive, we'll enter this. Let's paste. Check the first 4, last 4, and go back to Simple Swap. First 4, last 4, go back to Coinbase. Looks about right. And then we're gonna put options. And in this case, we're entering 64. Go back to Simple Swap. 64. Go back to Coinbase. And that's what we're doing. And here you can just put for note simp. That's what I like to do, is put a little note. Go back to Simple Swap. Double check. Make sure it's not asking for any more addresses. Promo code. I don't have a promo code, so go back to Coinbase and then hit continue. You are sending your graph to this address. Note, Simple Swap. Coinbase fee 0. Network fee is 2.60 graph. Total is 93.83. Send now. So I'm going to enter my Google authenticator Coinbase 618. It just changed. It does that. So 936358. Hit confirm. Sent $90.17. This transaction usually takes less than 10 minutes. And then we'll hit done. So as you can see here, we hit done, and now it says pending. Go back to SimpleSwap, make sure it's pending. Still says waiting. Here you can enter a promo code for the loyalty program, which I do have an address for that. I'll just have to wait a little bit longer. We'll give it a few minutes and then we'll see if it's done. So now we got our first confirming sign, which means it's moving right along. After it's done confirming, we'll go exchanging, then sending, and then finished. So what I did was enter my loyalty program. I used the SimpleSwap GRT address, put it in here. So it says you'll receive X amount as cashback for this exchange. So it says my order has been complete. From waiting, confirming, exchanging, sending, finished. Your exchange was complete. I'm going to check my T-Fuel account right now. And once you receive your input hash and your output hash, that means your exchange was complete. I copied and pasted this exchange ID number in case there's an issue. I can always go back and change it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click the link below, share, and like.